Today I'm gonna tell you how to improve your internet. I will show you the most powerful and easy way to do it. This method is based on a simple thing. We need a smartphone. Then we have to turn on the hotspot mode to get Wi-Fi signal. Next, we attach the smartphone to a place where we could possibly get a nice signal. For example, the roof of that building. The smartphone gets the signal at this point and gives Wi-Fi to the building through the roof, and thus we get a nice internet signal, a good signal right in the middle of nowhere. But this ain't easy after all. There are lots of small things you need to take care of. But don't worry, I will teach you. Well, let's go. How to get internet in the place where is no signal at all. We are in Chernobyl forest. That is the best place for experiment and bad for signal. There is no signal at all. There are no substations here. They are very far away. Sergey told me that the closest place with signal is somewhere over there. Yeah, the signal will appear in 150 meters from here. I mean, the weakest signal will appear here. The first thing to do is testing the signal. Sergey says there is no signal at all, but I want to be sure about it. I take my smartphone and go to the menu. I choose Search for all networks. Waiting for some time. We've got only Kyivstar 2G, quite expected. I'm gonna make the second test in the place where signal could be better in theory. I'm going to find out which network, I mean what kind of fast internet we can get here, 3G or 4G networks. Sergey, where is the best place to get internet over here? Show me the most open place. I'm not sure, it is hard to get signal here. Personally, I don't have any signal here, but if you walk 100 meters, we're gonna have a bad Kyivstar signal. I can make a call, not sure about internet. Maybe there's 2G or something. No speed at all, it's sad and so on. Possibly yes, at least there's signal. Let's go and see. Look at this beauty. We like Chernobyl zone very much, it is awesome, and the weather is nice. Go to settings and search for more networks. And we have to wait while the searching is going. Wow, we've got 3 signals already, look at it guys, but it's only 2G. Never mind, let's check it again. Maybe we're gonna find some 3G or 4G signal. Now we have to wait until any normal signal appears. We can move, change position and so on. Go up maybe, or anywhere else. So we can check all the places where we could get a signal. Now the result is even worse. Only 2 networks. But we are not going to give up. Let's raise it like this. We have finally got a 4G signal. I'm not going to waste time, I will choose this network and try to get some internet from it. Actually, I have tried to get LTE signal here many times, but the signal was too weak, so I just couldn't use it. So now we have to log on this 4G signal. Here we go. Go to smartphone settings and select only 4G signal mode. So in this mode it will not be trying to get any other network. Sometimes you can turn only 4G mode in regular settings. There may be only 2G mode or 3G mode, and 2G and 3G and 4G mode, automatic selection. And that's why we need a special code to go to engineering menu. That is a must to make internet fast. Does every smartphone have it? Yeah, every. Asterisk grid, 4636. Asterisk grid, and there we are, in the secret menu. Choose the first thing. Don't touch anything else, you will spoil it. There will be a window with LTE GSM Auto. Choose it. Then find LTE only and set it. That's it. Since then you will not be able to make calls, because the most of networks doesn't support voice calls. But you're going to have a very nice modem. Then I'm gonna turn on the hotspot mode. There I go. And now this smartphone is a modem, but it can't give us internet, because there is no signal. We need to attach the smartphone somewhere higher. The most obvious place to do it is close to the TV antenna, but if you are in the forest, you're gonna need a fishing rod. You're gonna need to throw the fishing line over the highest tree, then tie a smartphone to it and get it up. I also recommend you to attach a power bank to a smartphone beforehand. To protect it from rain, we're gonna cover it with a bottle. Yeah, just put it on. Even in severe winter, a smartphone can work perfectly as a modem. Let's try to make it finally, and you will see it for yourself. We have found a nice stick over there. It is pretty big. A smartphone must be not in this position, it must be 45 degrees decline. Like this. It will provide the best signal reception. One more thing. It mustn't be swinging all around. We have to fasten it really hard. Otherwise the signal will become worse. There also must be no metal around it when it's on the top. Even the power bank must be at least at 10 cm distance from it. Following these rules will make the signal better. Is there a difference between sides? Should it be this side up or another? There is no difference, the antenna is symmetric. So this or that. The antenna goes like this. Here and here another one. By the way, not just any smartphone can be used to make it all. But we know that Nokia, Sony and iPhones suit these conditions perfectly. They try hard to get a signal in bad conditions. Meanwhile, my Samsung doesn't see any network here. There it goes, like this. Another thing to remember, if a smartphone doesn't get the signal, just change the spot. Maybe on the other side, on the roof, the signal will become better, maybe on another tree, maybe anywhere else. But keep in mind that a smartphone can provide internet at great distance, so make sure you will be in reach of the hotspot of your smartphone to use Wi-Fi. If it is a house, the smartphone must be above the roof, in any way. The roof doesn't stop the Wi-Fi signal, so you're gonna have a great signal inside. It will be going right in the house. That's it, there is a mast. Let's take it carefully and don't break anything. We have waited for some time and there we've got the Wi-Fi signal. At first it wasn't working, but now I've already got plenty of messages. That proves that we've got the internet here. Now let's make sure that the connection is stable. Let's go to speed test and check the speed. I recommend you to change the modem position a couple of times to get the best signal. Only in this way you will find the best place and reach the maximum speed. Let's see what we've got. Wow! Internet isn't fast here. But Alex, we just had no signal at all. Okay, at least we can watch YouTube. Look, there's a signal. But I think we can find even better spot for a modem and get even faster 4G internet. I would like the internet be so fast that we could stream from here. What if we try to use a real modem instead of a smartphone, you know? Is it going to be the same? Will it work the same way? I think that would be even better, because router has external antennas, and they can provide a better signal. But anyway, we should set only 4G mode. We don't want to change networks. There's a smartphone. There's the house, let's go inside and check the signal, and see what we've got finally. I'm trying to cook something and you're filming content, damn YouTubers. Stop eating, Sergey, he's always eating before we start filming. Can't you just wait until dinner? It is tasty. You eat up half of food stuff, I just wanted to try. So we've got a stable connection here. There's a TV! Does it work? I don't know, there is no power here. Didn't you try? That is the first time we have found a TV in Chernobyl, guys. Nothing works. It doesn't work. There are the wires connected to the house, but the wire line is broken. So you want me to get electricity here, don't you? Nice lamp. It is ancient as hell. I want to turn it on. Okay, actually we had something else to do. Come on. It's working. Same speed, like outside. It is supposed to be like this. Let's see in other rooms. Let's check it in the most distant one. I've got another message. Well, here it doesn't work well. The signal was lost. Yeah, it is too weak here. The modem on the roof must be replaced in the middle of the house, I think. I should be careful. You should be very careful if you carry something alone. Here you say? Yeah, that would be perfect. In the middle of the house. Nice position. We will have internet in all parts of the house. Let's go and check if the speed changes from what we've done. Look what we've got. The speed has become really nice now. Oh my gosh! Awesome dish. Chernobyl pasta. For real, actually. That is the real pasta from this house. No one has found it before us. Wanna taste it? Cool method. Yes, now we can connect. The password is... Don't let subscribers hear it. How did you get so much of Wi-Fi? I've got the turbo Wi-Fi camera. The cam? Yeah.
Да, turbo Wi-Fi.
Connecting. Will the smartphone stand the load? I think yes. There we go. Yeah, I've got it. I've got another message.
Сообщение пришло.
Me too. And me. Here they go.
Полетели!
Wilsacom. Oh, another video. Nice. I want internet. Alright, don't give him internet, he's a pervert. Unpacking iPhone 12 Pro.
12 Pro.
Can we watch it?
Вышел.
Cool, it works.
У него даже рекламы нету.
There it goes.
Есть реклама.
Да?
Let's try to wind it.
Реклама. Сейчас
It loads the network.
Дальше обычная большая нагрузка на интернет.
It doesn't stop. Nice.
А, я все перепутал, хрена. Вот это, черт,
Еще сейчас помото.
как положено.
Works well.
Нормально работает, Лё.
Там должна быть техника ликвидаторов. Чернобыльская авария. Еще тех лет.
You're like home. Have you seen this one before?
Ребята, этот видос наш.
Ребята, это отдых этого.
Stop eating, it is tasty, try it. Don't try it, it's not tasty. I mustn't, I will not
Не
stop.
оторвусь потом.
I think if we raise this modem higher, we could reach the best internet speed.
Добиться такой скорости.
And possibly we'll be able to stream from here, guys, from Chernobyl. This method works anywhere.
Где угодно.
You can get internet even in the city or in a cellar.
В подвале.
To make your internet work fast and stable, keep in mind these rules,
Не
guys.
забывай эти 13 правил.
Kreosan, log out.
Всем пока.